In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a SumUp bank account. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to sumup.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to their home screen or main screen here. Of course, here you'll be able to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create an account. As you can see, you'll find the register button. Just go and click on that. Once you click on register, as example, you'll have to go here through the register options. So you'll basically have to fill up your email address and password in the country of your business. Of course, not all the countries are supported, so make sure your country is supported here. And if it's not, probably the website will not even open because as an example, at the moment I'm using a VPN. That's why it's working for me because it's not available in my country. If it's not available in your country, you may not even open the website. So let's just fill up those informations and click on next. So starting by the email address, here as an example, fill up the password and should be strong. Yeah, if you tick, of course, this, you accept the terms of conditions and privacy policy. Let's make sure to read them both. It's very important for you. Then click on next. For me, I don't care at the moment. So once you click on next, as you can see, you'll have to verify your email. So you need to go to your email provider and simply click on the link provided there. I'm just going to do so as an example. I'm just going to do so. Of course, if you didn't receive anything, you can always check all mails and the spam folder because sometimes they or you may be taken there instead. So for me, this is the link that they sent me in my email. So I'm just going to click on that to confirm it as an example. Once I click on it, as you can see, it will take some time to confirm it. As you can see, email verified here. And I'll be able to simply finish through this tab, or I can, I guess, if I reload this page, it should take me, okay, couldn't verify email. Anyway, probably because of the VPN that I'm using, but for you, once you verify like the email, you should be good to go with the SumUp account. You just have to follow the steps from there as an example and fill up all those informations as you can see from here. So I can just close this. So you'll have to fill up all your informations like from the sole proprietorship and the other information. So you'll have of course to simply select the legal type of business and basically keep answering your informations and fill this up. Let's say example, I am this one, sole, etc. I do maybe services example and I don't know, car washes, why not? Here, as an example, you'll have to fill up like your business description. If your business has a trade name, you can simply check this option and enter that out. For me, I'm just going to do here testing, and I just fill up here some random information, click on continue, so enter a valid number. So I can look for US number as example, and I'm going to copy it as it is. So random, let me just add here random. Because yeah, let me just go and do so. Here I'm just going to whatever website and I'm going to click on the first link as example, or sorry, first number and enter it right there. So let me just go and do so. Once you fill up that and click on next, here you'll have to enter your monthly estimate salary. Here you'll have to fill up other information. Example, let me just do so as example. Once you click on next, of course, here you'll have to fill up your address. Once you do so, just go and click on save and continue. Then, of course, you can also check if that's your business address is different. You can simply add your business address. If it's not, you can simply just go and save that address. Then you'll have to do, as you can see, SumUp uses Plaid to instantly and securely link your bank account so that you can start the transaction faster. So you'll have to connect your Plaid account. Of course, you can also continue as a guest if you don't have an account. And then as example, choose one of the banks that you have and simply connect it to it. Once you connect it to it as example, of course I can add this manually if I want to. Once you do so, you'll be close to finish. Here you will have your summary. If you agree to all of that and this is correct, you can simply check it, click on confirm and send. An example, you'll have to verify your phone number, click on send me a code. They'll send you a code, enter that code, click on confirm, and you successfully have your SumUp account. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.